Di ba Lunes tayo kinara eh? Ay di tama-tama.
What you should project, okay? Dapat i-project is, ang purpose ng tutorial is to let people know that there is ibaan. The reason why I picked startup is because for them to know na may ibaan exit na. Okay? So once na nilagay natin yan sa calendar, it says, ibaan exit this way, please enter, ganyan. Because we are planning to put a tourist spot here, some zip lines, campsites, some yay, yummy thing. Yeah. So the point is, kayo, ang dapat yung i-portray is may ibaan exit. Okay? So you can have a projection of what kind? Sa mata, sa mukha. Number one, whoa, you're so interested to go this way. Ha? Projection ng mukha, parang, nagulat ka, then you wanna go this way. Ibaan exit, okay? Then, you make ibaan exit it's a very nice place. It could be a happy face, it could be a mysterious face, para ma-intrigue sila. The best of all things I want you to project is the intriguing place. Analyze, internalize, make it yung mata nyo. How do you look like? Make it feel real. Ano ba talaga nararamdaman nyo kapag nai-intrigue kayo? Diba? Na gusto nyo pupunta sa isang lugar ninyo. You're so curious na ang iikayatin nyo yung mga tao to go to this way. Right? Diba? So, yun ang concept ng tutorial. Ha?
Yung helmet. Yung ang helmet nasaan?
Okay, Kwan.
Ayun! Ano ba yun? Yun ba?
Sabi kayo, ano?
Hello. Hello.
Sisira, te.
Oo, masisira na ako.
Ay. It's part of my job.
More lights needs one color. It's lighter.
Kasi na eh. Yan ang aking model sa akin, Lomi House.
Kaya ganon.
Oo. Laging tagakain ko yan doon. Okay.
Every Sunday.
Oo.
Ay, hindi. Wait pala.
Pasok ka ba ng Saturday? Pumapasok ka ng Saturday. Ha? Test muna natin dito, Dan.
Pag ganito? Yan, okay. Up konti, up. Up sobra. Yan, tapos tingin dito.
There you go. Ayusin mo yung bangs mo. One more time. Ayusin yung bangs. There you go. Ning, okay na yung hair? Okay na yung hair? Let me know pag something's wrong with the hair. Parang dito ka, dito ang tapat ng katawan mo.